Let's watch the next video clip.
Magkasama kami nag-attend ng isang graduation. Truthfully, I wasn't feeling well. Kasi kinukulam nila ako. Andiyan na sila ha, umabot na sila sa kulam. Nagsama-sama na silang lahat. Kinukulam pa nila ako. So I wasn't feeling very well. Pero I had to go. Kailangan ko pumunta. Kasi para naman sa graduates yun. Hindi para sa akin yon. It's their happiest day. So nagsama kami. Nagsama kami. Katayo kami doon. And merong isang graduate na alam nyo, para sa akin, there was some sort of inappropriateness sa ginawa ng bata. Pero bata ito eh. So ikaw din, meron ka din dapat sana sigurong pag-intindi kung saan nanggagaling yung bata. And ang reaction mo, ang response mo, should be so that the child will learn a lesson. So meron isang graduate. Sabi nung graduate, Mr. President, can I have your watch as a graduation gift? And narinig ko, tabi ako, di ba? Narinig nung katabi ko. Narinig nung katabi ng katabi ko. But apparently, this guy, di niya alam kung ano isasagot niya. So ang ginawa niya, pinaulit niya sa bata. What did you say? So this time, syempre bata, hindi niya alam ba saan yung inulit ng bata, louder this time. Mr. President, can I have your watch as a graduation gift? Nasagot niya. Why? Why will I give you my watch? At that point, may sakit na ako. I wasn't feeling very well. Nandun lang ako, nakakatayo ako doon kasi may gamot ako. Gusto ko tanggalin yung ulo niya ba? I realized toxic na yung relationship. And it did not help na itong dalawang katabi ko, tumawa pa.
Okay, this part of the press con, it has nothing to do anymore with the president's governance. Very personal. But why do you think that Vice President Sara told this story in the press con? Why did she include this? What do you think her point was? Malu?
Alam mo, Karen, it is more of character of the leader. You have to understand that the tradition of asking for a watch didn't start at that time. It started FBR's time. Whenever there's a graduate sa PMA, somebody will ask, Sir, can I have your watch as a graduation gift? What does a watch mean to a young soldier? It's about time. That I have your back. That I am for you. That my career is defined by time. Ang sundalo, pwedeng mamatay, ginabukasan, pag pinadala mo kung saang laban, ang sundalo, dedicated sa bayan. So, siguro, ang metaphor dun sa sasabi ni Vice President is, tandaan mo, sundalo yung humihingi sa'yo. Hindi malaking bagay dahil buhay niya ang pinapalit sa serbisyo. So I guess yung
so
character.
So there's a tradition pala. I'm not aware of that. So it's not
time pa.
out of the blue that this question was asked
Yes.
from the president. Congressman Roland.
Kung FBR time, hindi tradition yun. Dapat yung system immemorial tradition yun. Tapos, politician din naman ako. Siguro, she's comparing with the former President Duterte na pag merong gathering yung mga military, biglang nag-uubad ang relos, binibigay yung watch niya. Pero baka yun yung may mukha na watch niya na talagang pambigay. Minsan naman talaga yung politician, pag may nakitang maraming tao, tatanggalin yung relos, ibibigay. Pero pambigay talaga yung relos na yun. Ako ay myself, hindi ako nagbibigay ng relos kasi sabi iniikot daw eh. Nalilipasan ng oras eh, di ba? Pero I do not know the story behind that. Kung ano yung paliwanag ng Malacanang niya, baka naman meron silang reason why. Pero I don't think na tradition yun.
Okay. And what about VP Sara's statements that, yung naisip niya na tanggalin na yung ulo? Well, that's how she described the toxic relationship.
Yes, alam mo, Attorney Karen, VP Sara is an outlier. She does not conform to the traditional political communication that is defined by Metro Manila or even of Luzon. She comes in being true to herself, unfiltered, and real talk. You will see in all that press conference that she had last Friday that she was just confronting issues. And these issues have not been confronted for the 2 years that she remained quiet.
And Congressman Roland, do you think it was appropriate to bring up the story in a press con?
Unprecedented. And I think she wants to be controversial with that statement.